In this era of rapid technological change and constant digital noise, people are craving deeper human connection more than ever. AI can answer questions, optimize routines, and even simulate conversations, but it can't replace the profound empathetic presence that helps someone feel truly seen, understood, and supported. This is where life coaches step in with irreplaceable value. As tools you need become smarter and faster, the human elements, genuine listening, nuanced intuition, emotional safety, and authentic encouragement stand out as essential for real transformation. Clients aren't just seeking productivity hacks or goal checklists, they're yearning for guidance that honors their full humanity amid uncertainty. Helping them cultivate resilience, redefine success on their own terms, and build lives that feel meaningful beyond metrics. Becoming a certified life coach right now positions you at the heart of this shift. It's a chance to offer something technology can't replicate: the steady, compassionate partnership that empowers people to navigate complexity with greater self-trust and clarity. In a world accelerating toward automation, the demand for deeply human-centered support is surging, and those who can provide it with skill, heart, and integrity will find this work not only fulfilling, but increasingly vital and sustainable. Your unique experiences, empathy, and insight become the exact antidote to isolation in a hyper-connected age.